Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Churchill says CM is with a group of 15 formed to oppose Mickey's induction in the cabinet. Mickey ridicules Churchill, says he has full faith in the promises made by his high command. Jiten Deshprabhu alleges Congress of dividing Hindus, says the party is doing it for its own political gains. Land acquisition notification has still not reached Goa. Process may start at the end of January. Corporates focus on accountability and water consumption. Conduct seminar on sustainable business and good governance. And synthetic tracks a must at this point for athletes in Goa, says Dr. Suzanne D'Souza. And now the news in detail. Churchill Alimau has claimed that Chief Minister is supporting the group of 15 formed to oppose induction of Mickey in the cabinet. Churchill has threatened of drastic steps if Zuze or Nilkanth are dropped from the cabinet. Mickey has ridiculed Churchill, whereas Nilkanth has left the decision to the High Command. A group of ministers and MLAs had a meeting at Vijay Sardesai's residence on Wednesday evening. The group included PWD Minister Churchill Alimau, Urban Development Minister Joki Alimau, Education Minister Babush Montserrat, Revenue Minister Jose Philippe D'Souza, Tourism Minister Nilkanth Halankar, Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar and Kutturi MLA Alex Reginald Lawrence. The word was out that Mickey will be inducted in the cabinet. The X was hanging on Tourism and Revenue Minister. The show of strength by Mickey on 12th December consolidated Mickey's demand. Churchill said that Babush, Nilkanth and Zuze were with Congress in bad times, and now Churchill and other ministers are with them.
जेन्ना Z7 घडलें तेन्ना झे फिलीप आनीक नीलकांत आनी बाबूश मोन्सेरात हे तिगोय काँग्रेसी बरा स्ट्रॉंग राहिले कित्याक काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट चलपा जाय आनी जेन्ना ते काँग्रेसी भायर स्ट्रॉंग राहिले काँग्रेसी बराबर तेंका कितें जातालें आमी बराबर हाय.
Churchill has warned of dire consequences if Mickey is inducted again in the cabinet. Mickey has said that Churchill is nobody in the current situation. He is hopeful that High Command will fulfill promises given to him.
See, I don't need support from Churchill for my induction. Okay.
Yes.
If my party thinks, okay, I'm a sincere soldier for my party. They'll take the right decision, and my party decision, my High Command decision cannot be changed by anybody else.
How much sure?
I know that much. I'm sure about it.
Okay. So you're very sure that you will be inducted back in the cabinet?
See, whatever promises my leaders had given to me, I have confidence and trust on my leaders. They're more than sufficient. I don't need those rogues to be discussed about my minister both.
Okay. But Nilkanth Halankar has left everything on his High Command.
हा निर्णय केंद्रावरती आहे, हा निर्णय इथे नाही.
Inducting anybody and reviewing anybody
Prerogative of powers
of the chief minister and instruction from the high command, and we have to obey that.
A reporter in Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut, and in Panji, Greta Menezes. In a sensational statement, NCP General Secretary Jitendra Deshprabhu has alleged that Congress party in Goa is creating disintegrity amongst Hindu community for political gains. He also alleged that Congress is getting diverted from its core policy.
In the local body, I would say that the Congress has lost focus. What has been given by the national leaders like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Gandhiji and Mrs. Sonia Gandhi as well. They have lost focus because not only they are tilting towards communalism, but they are now dividing the Hindus into sectoral for political gains. If the party is going to have a census which will identify them for their caste, creed and community, it is damaging to this nation's teachings.
Jitendra Deshprabhu made the serious allegation at a press conference on Thursday. NCP announced its Nationalist Youth Congress team on Friday. Tanveer Khatib is the new youth president. Altogether, the team is having 26 members.
Our President Sharad Pawar ji has taken a campaign on global warming. That is one of the social issues which relate to you and us also, all of us. So we'll be taking that as one of the main issues, that is go green and global warming.
Desh Prabhu highlighted on various sections the party will be introducing.
Doctors cell, advocates cell आणि किसान सेल, राष्ट्रवादी लेबर काँग्रेसची स्थापना आम्हाला करायची आहे. राज्यस्तरीय फिशरीज कल्टिवेशन और कल्टिवेटर्स याची एक सोसायटी स्थापन करून स्थानिक पातळीवरती जे कोण मच्छीमार आहेत त्या मच्छीमारांना एकत्रित आणून त्यांच्या चेअरमन मार्फत राष्ट्रस्तरीय स्तरावर त्यांचं काम करण्याची त्यांना संधी मिळणार आहे.
A reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari. The actual land acquisition process for NH4A will begin next year in January. Land Acquisition Officer Anthony DeMello said that though the 3D notification has been published in an official gazette in Delhi, but it will take at least another month for its declaration in the state gazette. The widening process of NH4A has begun. Union Department of Surface Transport has declared 3D notification, but it has still not published in the state gazette. Goans still do not have an exact idea about this land acquisition. Prudent contacted Land Acquisition Officer Anthony DeMello.
The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has already issued the notification under 3 capital D. I am, however, awaiting a copy of the official gazette from the Office of the Project Director, Project Implementation Unit, NHI Goa. So I expect, using the same yardstick obviously, that I should be receiving this notification somewhere in the first week of January 2011, that is.
This notification will be published in local news dailies. People can then file their claims for compensation. As per the orders by House Committee, land will not be acquired in the areas where people are opposing the acquisition. Land Acquisition Officer has issued notices for the expansion of NH17. The hearings will be held in January.
In fact, those notices are being issued, and somewhere in first week of second week of January, we will be hearing the objectors. After hearing the objectors, we will decide as regards accepting or rejecting the objections of the parties.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. It's time for a short break. We'll be right back.